Are you ready to take your web design game to the next level? In this video, we'll be exploring how to use AI art and ChatGPT to create insane web designs that are sure to leave a lasting impression. We'll be diving deep into the world of AI-generated images and text, exploring the power of no-code tools like Editor X, and discussing the ethical and practical considerations of using AI in the creative process. Hello and welcome back to AI Without Borders. With the rise of artificial intelligence, no-code and AI-assisted art are definitely the future, and we're excited to show you how to leverage these technologies to create stunning websites. Let's start by talking about AI art. Midjourney is just one of the many AI art tools available on the market today. This powerful tool uses generative adversarial networks, GANs, to create unique and stunning images. GANs are a type of deep learning model that can generate new content by learning from existing examples. With Midjourney, you can create images that are similar in style and theme to the input image. The AI algorithm analyzes the input image and generates a new image that is truly unique and customized to your vision. But we're not done yet. ChatGPT is another powerful tool that can take your web design to the next level. This advanced natural language processing tool can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. ChatGPT uses a transformer-based language model that was trained on a large corpus of text data to generate natural-sounding responses. With ChatGPT, you can input your topic or prompt, and the AI algorithm generates a response based on the input. You can adjust the tone, style, and other aspects of the text to fit your brand and messaging. Now let's talk about Editor X. This no-code tool is perfect for creating stunning websites without any coding experience. With Editor X, you can drag and drop elements onto the page and customize them to your liking. This makes it incredibly easy to bring your vision to life without needing to learn complex coding languages. Editor X allows you to create responsive websites that work on desktop and mobile devices. You can choose from a variety of templates to get started, or create your own custom design from scratch. With Editor X, you can also integrate third-party services like Shopify and PayPal, making it easy to set up an online store or accept payments on your site. While using AI art and ChatGPT in conjunction with a no-code tool like Editor X can be incredibly powerful, it's important to remember that AI is not perfect. There are ethical and practical considerations to keep in mind when using AI in the creative process. For example, the quality of the AI-generated content may not always meet your expectations. While AI is capable of creating stunning and unique content, it's not always able to understand the nuances of human preferences and emotions. In addition to quality concerns, there are also issues of bias and ownership to consider. As AI continues to advance, it will be important to navigate these issues with care and thoughtfulness. It's important to celebrate and nurture the unique human trait of creativity, while also utilizing the powerful tools that AI can offer. Lastly, the cost of using AI art and ChatGPT should also be taken into consideration. While some AI tools are available for free or at a low cost, others can be quite expensive. It's important to weigh the benefits and costs of using AI tools in your web design process to ensure that it's a worthwhile investment for your business. In conclusion, using AI art and ChatGPT in conjunction with a no-code tool like Editor X can be an incredibly powerful combination for creating stunning web designs. With the help of AI-generated images and text, you can create unique and creative content that stands out from the competition. While AI is not perfect, with careful consideration and thoughtfulness, it can be a valuable tool in the creative process. So go ahead, take the leap, and create some insane web designs with the power of AI and no-code tools. And don't forget to share your creations with the world. As always, thank you for tuning in to AI Without Borders. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your web design journey. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the intersection of AI and creativity. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of AI in the world of design. And don't forget to embrace your own creativity as well. After all, it's the human touch that truly makes a design stand out.